Hello everyone, I welcome you in the video series of engineering graphics. So today I'm going to talk about the solution of problem number 5, which is of simple type. So let us go to the problem number 5. A line AB 60 mm long is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to HP. Its end point A is 20 mm above HP and on the VP. End B is 50 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections and find its inclination with VP. So this is the problem. So first of all, we'll start with the XY line. So this is the data, given data, true length is given 60 mm and its inclination with HP is true inclination. So theta is given 30 degree. So let us start with the XY line. Now we'll show first initial points of line AB. So point A is 20 mm above HP, that is 20 mm above XY line. So point A dash must be 20 mm above XY line. And it is on VP, so top view must be on the XY line. So top view of point A is on XY line, that is on VP. So now draw the locus through point A dash, that is locus of A dash, and locus of A. Now we'll first complete the front view with given data. Draw a line at an angle of 30 degree. Set compass for 60 mm distance. Set compass on point A dash and draw an arc like this, which will represent the true length. Its end point is B dash. Now draw the horizontal locus through B1 dash. Right here locus of B dash. Now we have completed the front view with the given data. Now let us complete the top view with given data. So in the top view, end B is 50 mm in front of VP. It is given in the statement. So at a distance of 50 mm, draw a line which will represent the locus of B. So this locus of B is nothing but the end point of B in top view will lie on this locus of B. Now just apply the simple rule that we know that if true length is known in one view, then we can obtain apparent length in another view. So take vertical projector from this true length up to locus of A from front view, rotate it using compass. It will intersect to the locus of B. This point of intersection is a point B, nothing but the end point of apparent length in top view, that is plan length. Now also we know that if apparent length is known in one view, then just take the vertical projector from end point of apparent length into another view, you will get apparent length in another view. So we have here apparent length in top view. So just take the vertical projector from this end point of apparent length, that is point B, into the front view. It will intersect locus of B dash at one point, that is point B dash. This end point B dash is nothing but the end point of apparent length in front view. Connect these points by line. So this is nothing but the apparent length in front view. Now set a compass at point A for 60 mm distance. Draw an arc which is nothing but the true length in top view. Right here B1, that is end point of true length. Now just measure the parameters like elevation length, it must be around 35 mm. Angle made by elevation length alpha 65 degree. Plan length must be around 50 mm and angle made by plan length is around 75 degree. If you have any question, please do mention in the comment section and please like the video.